Welcome back to my next stream of Star Technology. Great factory logistics run. Last stream, quite a lot of progress. This entire setup of the first few LV components, the LV circuits. Then here viable, the bender, lathe, and the macerator here. Here's the LV machines area. But unfortunately, I had too less rubber and the latex was getting low. So I was starting the next project while waiting for latex production. And that is going to be the steam power plant. Charcoal is made here with the logs incoming from the wood farm with Tom's Simple Storage mod. And these will be put into the boiler, into the burners with the mechanical arm powering the boiler. And I think level 9 boilers were the maximum I can build with this setup. So that means I can put 8 more of these steam engines. I will put them on top. And then on top of this building, there will be some carbon brushes to produce the electricity. Like so. And also a small area for power storage, because I need to still make at least one of them, this redstone flux cell frame, and then alloy smelt them into this. So I actually also need an alloy smelter. I don't have one yet. And what I forgot to already prepare is magnetite dust, because these blocks here need magnetite dust. And right now I was just smelting the crushed magnetite for iron ingots, but now I actually need to put some into the ore factory. So already a few dust will be prepared. Let's say 4 stacks for now. And I will take out the iron ore. That magnetite now has the priority. Okay. So first I will build the other side now. I will also need, this is how much? 4, so 4 by 9 of these blue tanks. Okay. Was already perfect. And then the next step is the mechanical. I first need to make one more. I didn't save that. Then pick up items from here. Put them in there. And now I still need to give it power. Not like that. Okay. Oh, no more. Why? Okay, good. And the water, of course. We'll bring it along here. And I need to place at least one steam engine to make it a steam boiler. But I will just make 9 already and put them on top. Okay, I want them to face this way. Chain. No, not that way. They should connect, yeah. Ah, no, they don't, because that is one too low. Yeah, now they also connect. And then with the rest. Come on. Good. Then they should all have charcoal. Yeah. Turn on all of them. That's perfect. Okay. Now, right, I have a problem that there's a bit too less water, so I will make one of the upgrades. If I have conveyor, no, I don't have any. Okay, then for now I keep it like that. And then as soon as I have one upgrade, I will put one here. And I also need another one for the storage drawer. Okay. And I need to put 8 more on the other side. Again, I put them too low. Oh, come on. I need the jet boots so badly. Okay, and that's the other one. Okay, good. Then I just need to connect these up. Put put a conveyor, not conveyor, the chain drive to the top, and basically give the roof power. So, but I probably need way more granite. I will just build a bit of the building and the rest once I got the jet boots. Maybe this height can be the roof. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, where's the middle? There. That did not work. And also I actually need more of these. Actually, I can just... Oh, I can't. Alright. Like that. And that is basically the roof. More granite. I should actually automate that, because I will use granite and diorite a lot for building. So before I continue, packager, link, okay. That's the supply granite pebbles. These don't really need to be named, but just for seeing immediately what they provide. Factory gauges. So, granite pebbles to granite, then these two first. These two granite, then they do polished granite. And yeah, I think polished granite. Make a stack of that. Make 4 stacks of that. Okay, but to continue the top area, now I need the carbon brushes and the magnetite block. Alright, I got that here already. And then immediately after making the first small setup, I will make these here. For that I need first this basic energizer, then immediately upgrade them again. Then some wire. First just this for powering the energizer, and then immediately just use that. And also connectors. Connectors I should already automate. Quite a lot are required. I would just put here nuggets and then andesite alloy. From these ingots, make some nuggets. Just 9 is enough. I think they're not needed for anything else. And then here the connectors. But these I will have at least 10. Then 1 carbon brush. Okay, no magnetite dust, but that's okay. 1 of the energizers. And a copper plate in the wire mill. Okay, easy data. Then I just need some of the magnetite dust. Oh, that's a good amount. And none of these blocks are wasted. I can just make a lot, because they will be used here in the fluctuated magnetite. I think the other ones are basically, yeah, they will not be used anymore. Only the diamond version basically, and this simple one. A rotationist speed controller plus a large wheel. I think it's not making any more components because there's no more wood. Oh. Still probably filling up the barrel here. Yeah. Okay. So speed controller goes here, not like that. Just a vertical gearbox. Like that. Then I just extend this platform a bit. Rest will be built later with the jet boots. Okay, then this can go immediately to 256. Make it a bit higher. Wait, how? I think one more, actually. Because... brush... no. What was the rotor, right? What was the counterpart? Generator coil. Okay. Wait, first I have to actually do that. Generator coil. These should be... yeah, I think that's the correct height because block goes here. Yeah. I will make one here in between. This goes here. And then you can just right click. Oh, that was too much. 12 only per coil. Okay, 9,000 stress units are being used right now, and we have like 280,000 or something. So we won't having any issues with stress units, even with these. So first thing is this energizer here. For that I left the space here. Gearbox. Put that one here. Then the first connector with the wire that should have been made. Yeah. No, I needed 2 connectors and not just one. So one goes here, one goes here. And this should, yeah, this should have energy. That means I need one more depot. And so 4, 1, gold 4, diamond 1. $1,300. Okay, now let's upgrade this. So 2 diamonds and 2 of the gold one. I don't need the plate version, no. Okay. Okay. It's going to store a lot of power, but make the process of making these charged versions of the gold and diamond very fast. Yeah. That's already that. And the diamonds. No more energy right now. Okay. Then break all the magnetite ones and immediately replace them. Now 1000 already. Okay, but I need more gold and more diamonds. Oh, what is happening here? Oak log to the crowd. Oh, what is happening? Why the repackager cannot repack some of the granite? Okay, seems like now it's going. Maybe I should put a bigger chest here. Like 2 normal chests instead of a barrel. I think actually before making more of these, I also need to paralyze the repackager somehow. Because that seems like not that fast. Okay. I will just already replace that. Oh no. I knew it. But that's okay. Next time I take the packages out before breaking the chest. Yeah, I think that was all of them. Okay, it's going. But so many of these are stuck. Oh no. I put one inside. I will just wait once this process is done. And then clean up. Okay, but first... diamonds. I wanted to get some diamonds. Like 2 stacks should be enough. And I also need to make some electrum. Can I craft that? No. I need the alloy. Yeah, I need the alloy smelter. So anyway, I need to make the alloy smelter first. Oh, first I need to check on the ore processing to get more magnetite. There is no more charcoal in here. Is there... oh, this one is also not running. Also out of charcoal. Okay. I need to take out some wood from here. Once the barrel is full there. But this should definitely produce enough wood for keeping these both running, plus having stuff for charcoal and crafting. I forgot. I need to go here. Then gold. Make a stack. First make half a stack. Then one more generator coil. I think anyway this cable cannot transfer more than 1000. So I'm already gonna make diamond cables with 24 of these before crafting the next coils. these take quite a lot of time. Good, just let them running. Okay. First the magnetite, then these, more here, more there. Okay. And then the next one. But I think I needed more stone. So to make that faster, I'm just gonna anyway, 16. Maybe I should actually increase that to 32. Or have at least 4 stacks. That's the wire. Good. Then actually still enough. So I think it's 1 to 4 forge energy to Gregtech electricity EU. Uh, yeah, so because I need to power this one here. 512, okay. But I wanna run a quad blast furnace setup, so I need the 16 amp version. And that is going to need 2000 at least. And then pretty soon the MB version, which needs 8000. So I should prepare for like at least this one now, and pretty soon that. Like have basically 3000 now, 2000 for the quad setup, and 1000 for the other machines. And later I have like 10,000 or 12,000 for MB. Okay. No more magnetite already? Yeah, okay. So I need to put more magnetite ore in here. Let's see how many. 7. That is enough for the other 4. Okay. So 2 coils are running now completely. 60,000 stress units are being used. And 2,500. Okay, that is good for everything I need now. Okay, I think this granite processing is causing a lot of trouble. is quite bad. I will just dump everything back to the storage here. Ah no, actually they will be put out back to the packager here. But maybe that fixed the issue now. Maybe these I will also just redo. Okay, I will have to monitor that. But first now I need to make the alloy smelter. To get the electrum and to build the redstone flux cell. I need more of these. Barrel I already got. And the packager. Where's the... yeah. Okay, and the report, packager, alloy smelter. For this one, I'm going to build another wall here again, because there will be a few recipes I need. First, type it here. Then build the wall here. And sign. Alloy smelter. Then factory gauges. Silver dust and gold dust will be electrum ingots. I will use the dust version, not the ingot version of the input ingredients, because later the electric ore factory will be hooked up to the system and will keep one of the colossal chests full of various dusts. Make like 10 of these. And now some silver dust. I have some silver ingots. Okay, I will make some dust with these for now. I can quickly do that with a mortar, I think. Okay. Then for these here I need the lead plates and electron plates. Lead plates can be made with the crate bender, and the electron plates cannot be made with the crate bender. So like steel need to be made with the bending machine. Where's the steel one? Ah, okay. I separated these. No, I don't need that actually. I want to have the entire bending setup over here. So here can be the rectech ones, and here will be the crate ones. I think anyway not so many crate bending recipes are left that are possible. Okay, the lead plate was possible with create. Make like 8 of these. Then I have to redo the steel ones. $32, okay. And here the... Oh, the LS matter is actually working, that's good. In the bender. And also 8. That means I should now be able to make this one. I need 1 redstone block. And can I already make the... This one here I can probably make already. With some gold rods. So put some of the gold ingots into the lathe. Electron plates are being made. And actually I can stop that now. How many? 75 are enough for the entire base. Problem is these have a limit of 8000 FE per tick. So from the MBH on I need to put multiple energy cells for the multi-blocks because they will draw more power than these will be able to supply from the main power storage over there. And the plan is actually for the power storage to be put here, like so. Power transfer, I mean. Maybe I do something like this. I don't know if the range is gonna be enough. Right, I forgot the range is pretty short for these. How far can I... Okay, and this probably is also too far away, yeah. Never mind then. These will be going under the base. But I will... Okay, here I still have... Yeah. I will do it like... one of these. I'm already gonna put 2 cables from there, because then I have enough power to separate the blast furnace and the other machines from each other. And then let's see how far they can go until here. Okay, connect. Then in the center, maybe I'm going to put glowstone, just to light the area up. Okay. Then okay, this much. Oh, okay. Dann nicht. And here as well. Put some glowstone. And I will do like, once it's red, I go 2 back. Okay. And here are some of the crate machines. I will do just one more. Break tech machines, I meant. Like here. And then here. Glowstone. No. Good. Then next, craft one of the cells. An alloy smelter, them together. Yeah, I can just pick that up here. And I should also make this one immediately. Silver plates, okay. Once I have the ore factory automated here, I will also automate silver. What's the distance now to here? And this just before, okay. So then, okay, this has to go here. Which height should I make it? Huh? I just make it here. Is that enough? Yeah, that's enough. Connector. Oh, these don't connect to the side. Oh, that means one more. Like that. And 3 in between. Okay. And then over here goes the power storage. So I'll connect maybe just one cell is enough. Then connectors. Which one was, I think, yeah, that was input. So I want this one should be input, of course. Then on the other side is an output. But then here too. No. This one here. And then this one, and the top one can be input. Which one is this? This one is... Okay. I should actually build 2 cells, but I will just start with 1 for now. And then this should fill it up with power, yeah. Okay, then the first upgrade now to increase it to 4000. And then I need the assembler. Okay, first I need to make the assembler and then I can make the next one. Okay, but that is power. Enough power for running a blast furnace, at least. Not the quadruple blast furnace setup, but one for the beginning. And like I said, the rest of this structure here I will build when I have the jet boots, because at least the walls I can build a bit better. Or maybe actually I can already close everything. not enough blocks anymore. Okay, one was missing. Okay, once I have more granite, I will just build the rest as well. And here the entrance, like so. And I will build some layers for now, but yeah, I will just go up like this, and then I will remove these as soon as I have the jet boots. Just so now that I can close this here. Okay.